Hello, it's Mark from Not Taught at School and welcome to today's video. So in this video we're going to be talking about two of the best affiliate marketing ebooks. Now what I'm going to do is I'll share with you the first one which I recommend, which is ultimately it's learning the basics about affiliate marketing. It shares with you the foundations and how, basically how you should be running an affiliate business. And then the second one focuses on the most important part, which is traffic. Now both of these books I have. One is in a PDF format and one is also in a hard copy, and I'll share both of these with you. Now very quickly, if we jump over here onto Google and I've just typed in affiliate marketing books, you find all of these here. Now a lot of these, they're outdated, they've been around for a number of years, and also if you scroll down, they're not exactly cheap. They're really, look at this, £27 for a book about a digital marketing, £14, and you can buy one here which is used. Now some of these I have, but a lot of them I wouldn't recommend them, and some of them I didn't even make it through to the end of the book, so they're pretty boring, to be honest with you. So if we come over here, we'll look at the first book. Now the first book I'm going to recommend to you is this one over here. Let me just show you this. It's an ebook. It's this over here. This is called The Insider's Guide to Affiliate Marketing. Now this will cost you the grand total of $1.99. Now inside of this ebook here, scroll down, look at this. This is everything that is included. In total, there's over, I think I've got it as 90 pages in my review. There's coming on to 90 pages here. Now, why I like this is it's very beginner friendly and it breaks down the whole concept of affiliate marketing. Now, I've also written a blog article about this whole ebook, so you can go ahead and check that out. I'll put a link to that down below. It's this one here. Now, in terms of this ebook, who is it written by? So the book has been written by a guy called Dave Sharp. Dave is the CEO of Legendary Marketer. Now, if you don't know what Legendary Marketer is, it's an online digital platform to learn about affiliate marketing, and it shows you how to, set everything up correctly. It's basically this company, it's absolutely massive, and if you want to learn affiliate marketing, then Dave, who's wrote this book, he is one of the best in the business, and he's generated ridiculous amounts of money online with affiliate marketing, and it's just a great resource. So inside of here, as you can see, it's broken down into three key components, and it's this here. We've got setting everything up, so the foundation for success. Then it moves on to running your affiliate marketing business, and then finally it goes into how to grow and expand your business. And then there's lots more in this article here. I just walk you through the entire process. But it's a great book. And why I really like this is it gives you the foundation to success. And it goes into, why affiliate marketing beats the rest, proof being a middleman really pays off, how to find the best products to promote, how to find a hot niche with proven buyers. So it's pretty good. And if we go back over here to the actual ebook, can see there's a lot of content inside of here, and it's pretty easy to follow along with, really. So you can read this realistically. I think from memory it took me a couple of hours the first time of reading this, but then you make notes and you go back to it. Now this product here, it costs $1.99. The other thing about this is when you purchase this ebook, you get this instantly. It's delivered via email and you get this. The other thing inside of here, if I scroll down, you see here, click here to take the challenge. So this book here, it will give you all of the foundations to learn about affiliate marketing. It includes a bonus. So you see here, take the 15-day online business builder challenge. So if I come over here, I'll show you what this is as well, because this is a separate product. I'll just show you this. This is known as the 15-day business builder challenge. That's a bit of a mouthful, isn't it? So let me just show in here and log in. I'll show you exactly what that 15-day plan is as well, because normally this will cost you $7, and many people don't tell you about this when you buy the ebook. So when you pay $1.99, you get that ebook, everything over here, all of this, walking you through everything you need to know. It's very good, it's very in-depth, and I highly recommend it. And as you can see on here, it starts at like for beginners, and then it just walks through the process. So it's pretty cool. And it's $2. Inside of there, you get this here, and this is to complement the book, and this is 15 days. So at the end of this 15 days here, you will basically learn the secret to building a high-ticket, high-profit online business. But you don't have to go through this if you don't want to. You can go ahead and purchase the book and, go through and learn about affiliate marketing. But inside of here, you can see you get a video every single day. So this is day 1. This here is day 2. Yeah, see the core 4 high ticket business models. This is day 3, etc, etc. And what happens here is, after you've done a couple of days, you've then basically, you can't unlock the rest of these days until you've done this here. And it's basically schedule your one-on-one business call with an advisor and claim your bonuses. So once you've done that, you get access to some bonuses, and I'll show you those bonuses now. So if I log in here, these are the bonuses that you get. So you get this 4 core emails, you get high ticket video scripts, you get Facebook, Facebook ads and templates, you get high ticket email templates, and lots more. So you're getting a hell of a lot here included within your original investment of $1.99 inside of the ebook. Now, inside of here, you can see there's lots more stuff. They've got, what have they got on here? They've got, basically, I'm trying to find it. Yeah, they've got affiliate marketing funnels and lots more. You can meet people. There's a Facebook group. And the other thing I was trying to find for you, let me just see if I can find it on here for you. Yeah, this here. This is tune in Monday to Friday. They have what is called the Wake Up Legendary Show. Basically, they bring on entrepreneurs, affiliate marketers, business owners, and they interview them inside of the Facebook group. So there's a Facebook group included inside of here. So it's pretty cool because you're getting a book for $1.99, but then you're also getting access to this. Now, previously, when I've mentioned about Affiliate Marketer and this 15-day challenge here, people have said, do you have to buy upsells? Now, I'll tell you about that. Inside of here, once you've unlocked some of these doors and you schedule your one-on-one business call with an advisor, basically they're going to, speak to you about your past, basically. They want to know a little bit more about you. And essentially, there are some upgrades within inside of Legendary Marketer. They have something called business blueprints and some other bits. But please don't feel pressured into purchasing any of those because you don't have to. I went ahead, I went through this 15-day challenge here on day, I think it was day 2 from memory. I spoke to my business advisor. I explained, about my background, what I'm doing, etc. He said, we have these other products. Are you interested in them? And I said, no, thank you. And he literally unlocked the rest of these days for me. And I went through this 15-day challenge here. So it's pretty cool, but you do get it for free when you purchase the Insider's Guide to Affiliate Marketing for $1.99. This normally costs you $7 to go ahead and get access to this. So that's all included in that one there. But like I said, I'll drop a link to this Insider's Guide over here. You can go ahead and have a look at this. I've got some more content to put on here. I'm still finishing up this article. So that is the first book when it comes to affiliate marketing. The second one I have is this one over here, and it's called Traffic Secrets. So once you go ahead and you learn about, affiliate marketing, how to set all of this up and, do things properly, this whole book here is geared around traffic. Now, this is a physical book and this is absolutely free. You just have to pay shipping. Now, I'll drop a link to the page below for you. This is the link over here. You can go ahead and have a look at this. Now, this book here, I still use this now as well. And what I like about it is inside of the book, it's got actions for you to go ahead, and do and fill in. And it's just awesome. Like you can see here, can you see that? Am I going the wrong way? You've got graphs on here, you've got templates and lots more stuff. And I mean, look, it walks through, finding the perfect customer. And you can see, I'm a nightmare for it. I'm always scribbling on books and highlighting bits that I want to focus on. But it's just an absolutely awesome book, and it actually gets you doing things inside of the book as well. So, you don't just purchase it and flick through and read it. It gives you things you need to be doing. It talks about your core customers, where they're hanging out, how to find them. Ultimately, it's everything to do with traffic, but it's just absolutely awesome. I mean, look at this here. We've got, can you see that? Hopefully you can see that. We've got core desires in here and lots more. And I'm continuously going back to this book and flicking through it because there's screenshots in here. It focuses on, there's lots of different traffic platforms. So there's some information here. We've got Instagram, Pinterest, there's loads in here. It's just an absolutely awesome book and I highly recommend it for you. I mean, look at this. And it's going over, their desires and things you need to be doing and other bits. It's pretty good. Now, this book here, it's called Traffic Secrets. Again, I'll drop a link to this below for you. Now, this will take you over to this page here, and you can see I'd like to rush a free copy of this over to you. Literally, you just pay for shipping. Now, in terms of this book, you can actually go ahead and get this on Amazon and, you know, some other different platforms. The thing is, if you buy it on Amazon, you don't get all of the bonuses that are included when you go ahead and buy it directly. So if I scroll down here, let me just show you this. So if I come down here, show you some of the bonuses that are included with this book, because again, the bonuses are pretty good. So if I scroll further down here, you can see everything that's included in here. Section 1, finding your dream customer. Come down to section 2, fill in your funnel, basically your affiliate marketing funnel, which you will learn about in ebook number 1, the Insider's Guide. Then we've got growth hacking. There's some absolutely awesome stuff in here. This is a really great one. This secret number 17. This is from the secret behind each shark from the Shark Tank. Scroll further down here, lots more inside of here. You've got testimonials and lots more. But the bonuses that you get with this is the first one, bonus 1. Traffic Secrets Foundation. This is $97. You get that for free. You get bonus number 2, the Ultimate Unfair Advantage. Very good. Come further down the page here. How to create videos that have such an impact people have no choice but to share. $97. And then you've got this one here, how to publish content basically on every platform. And then another bonus is this, a 30-day Traffic Secrets Challenge. So you get all of those included when you go ahead and purchase this, basically using the link down below. But if you want to go ahead and purchase it on Amazon or wherever, you can do, you just don't get access to all of those bonuses. And they are pretty good. This bonus up here, the one with Dean on, where was it? This one here, this is a great little course for you as well. It's really awesome. So those there are 2 different books that I recommend you read and, you know, understand when it comes to affiliate marketing. The first one, it's $1.99. It will show you the, you know, the foundations and setting everything up for affiliate marketing. But this one here, it genuinely takes it to the next level. It will teach you things about, you know, getting people, where to find people, because basically you can't do affiliate marketing without customers, and this here will show you everything and more you need to learn about it. So look, there's links to everything down below for you. Let me know, you know, have you read a decent affiliate marketing book? If you have, comment down below, let me know. I'll go ahead and have a look at it. I may have read it because I've read a lot over the years, because I'm pretty old in this game now, but please let me know down below. So that's today's video. Hope you found it useful. If you did, please give the video a like. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow.